Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today we're gonna sweat it off. We're gonna get rid of the stubborn fat, plus we're gonna tone up those calves, and obviously with the calves come the butt. So everything is gonna be toned, everything is gonna be shredded. But also, as you've probably been following me for the past 3 weeks, I have added to each workout a beautiful smoothie. So if you haven't seen those ones yet, I'm gonna link them up here for you to go back and check them out. Why smoothies? Smoothies are the best way to intake all the goodies, the fibers, the vitamins, the good sugars, because you're not gonna crave the bad sugars afterwards, and everything, all the good nutrients that our body needs. Because let's be honest, it's not just about the workout. If we want to lose fat or to tone those muscles, we need to eat clean and we need the good and healthy nutrients within our body. So today I'm gonna share with you the banana and avocado goodies. Yes, so this is gonna be a smoothie done with banana, avocado, turmeric and oat milk. The banana and avocado is so good with all the nutrients, potassium and the good fats and the fibers, and plus you've got the turmeric that is gonna give you that anti-inflammatory boost that you need in your body. So it's perfect for your immune system. So let's start working our body from the inside forever and ever. If you have been looking to losing weight or gaining muscle mass, I have the answer for you, and it's just right down here in the box below in my masterclass. So I'm inviting you today to join me in that masterclass where I can tell you exactly how to get rid of all the bads in your diet and lose the fat and gain the muscle and living in the mind and body that you've been dreaming of a long time. But without any further ado, if you have written down everything that you need for the smoothie and you're ready to sweat, to get rid of that fat, to really tighten up those bum bums and calves, let's not delay it, let's cardio it out, let's work it. Here we go, let's start. We are gonna start with something fun today. So we're gonna step to the side, and then we're gonna roll our hands on the side and go push, push, like you're pushing the water away. And again, out on the other side, all the way around, push, push, very good. Keep on going with a little hippity hop. Push, push, because we're working our calves as well, but we're giving them a good stretch with a push, very good. And again, other way. Push, push, beautiful. Few more. Push, push, and don't be content on only moving the arms, move the body as well so we get our heart rate up. Come on, we can do this. Very good. Push, push, other way, around. Push, push, few more. Again. Push, push. One more each side. Push, push, and keep on breathing and smiling. It's just the beginning. Push, push. Coming to the second position. We're gonna go up and then we're gonna push to the side. And we're gonna go up and push to the side. Very good. Up and push aside and up and push aside. Tippy toes. Up, up and bend. Come on. And bend. So we sweat. We get our heart rate up. We work our butt, our calves, and everything else that comes with it. Up, up. I even have crazy hair today. It's fine every now and then. And again, up, up, and down, up, up, and down. Last one, and down. From here, we're gonna push aside. Coming back in the middle, haha, and side. Coming back in the middle, and side, coming back in the middle, and side, and back. Reach for it, reach, back in, and reach even more, in, very good, reach. So we work balance too, reach, back in, few more, reach, in, little pose. 2, nice and slow and evil. Arms up. Very good. Push. Very good. Arms up. Couple more. And beautiful. And up. Again. We're gonna start again from the push to the side and push, push. Very good. Other way. Push, push. Again. Push, push. Again. Push, push. Few more. Out. Push, push. Again. Come on, have fun with it. Push, push. And out. Push, push. And out. Push, push. In the middle. Little pose. Beautiful. Little floaty arms this time. Gorgeous. Breathe. Down. We're gonna reach to the side. We go. Down. Push. Down. Push. Down. Push. Down. Push. Very good. Down. Push. And every time you tilt more. Yes. Try to find the moment where you're about to fall. Yeah. On the edge. Very good. And breathe. Down. Breathe. Down. In the middle. Very good. From here, in a plie, lift your heels. Hold it there. And breathe. And breathe and smile. Breathe and smile. Very good. Breathe and smile. Hold it there. Hold it there. Go a little lower. Little lower. Good. Careful with the knees where they're going. Very good. Connect that butt. Connect the calves. Very good. Slowly, we're gonna go up, 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 up. Slowly. Down. And again. Slowly up. Control. Slowly down. Very good. Feel the shake. I'm feeling it. Very good. Engage the calves. And down. Very good. And up. And up. And down. And down. Heels down. Very good. From here, parallel position like Egyptian style. Very good. From here, we're gonna go lifting both legs, coming down with arms up, and down. Very good. Down and down. You push the butt here forward so we feel the nice stretch as well. In, again, and up, and down, and in, and down, and lift. Very good. Just to shake it off, have a little walk around. Walk around. And we prepare other side. Very good. Egyptian style. Very good. Let's go. Down and down and up and up and down. Very good. And up and push again. Down and down. And lift, and down, very good, few more, and down, and lift, and down, little walk around, just to shake your legs off. Guess what, we're gonna start again on the other side, our Egyptian. This time we're gonna go push, and in, and then this time we're gonna go little balance, and down, and down. And in, so you gotta engage the core. Very good. In and down. Engage the core because you're even looking behind. And down. Very good. Little walk around. Beautiful. Prepare Ready, and go. Push, and down, with, around, very good. Down, and in, and push, and down, very good. In, and down, and push. Beautiful. Few more. For this last one, and push. Very good. Little walk around. Nice, tall and proud. Beautiful. From here, little curtsy. We're gonna go pushy, pushy, pushy with the arms from down the bottom up to the top. Ready? And you go push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Keep going, breathe, and up. Other way. Ready? It's like you're brushing something away. Yeah? Like a little bit of dust. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dusting will never be the same. Da, 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 da. Again and down. Now you can do it around your home with a duster down. Di, 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 di. Very good. Other way. Again. Let's keep on dusting. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last dust on the other side, and go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down. 2, 3, 4. Keep on dusting all the dust, and go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gorgeous. Just to finish off, take a step back, and we're gonna have a little fun thing. We're gonna go into nice and slow jumps, which is not fun, but it is fun because we're gonna go into hopscotch. So take your breath, and we're gonna go slow control. So here is beautiful to reinforce the feet, butt, and calves. Yes? You can have your hands on the hips, or you can do whatever you want with it, yeah? Let's go, as long as the shoulders are down. And you go down, down, down. Keep on pressing like you're really making wine today in the grapes, even though it's not season, unless you're watching this when it's season. Very good. Keep on going and go. Point your feet and land. Good. Beautiful. Like you don't want to disturb your neighbors that live underneath. Yeah? You gotta be quiet. Very good. Very good. Keep on breathing. Keep on feeling the pain and the good pain, because it's working. It's the butt and the calves and the feet and the quads and the thing and the rest. Keep on smiling. Keep on thinking about butterfly. Very good. Quicker, just to release it. Very good. Little trot. Still thinking about the neighbors. Still think about the neighbors. Very good. Breathe. Breathe. Point your foot behind. Point your foot. Point your foot. Point your foot. And from here, we're just gonna finish it off with a little hopscotch. Hopscotch, just like we did at the beginning. Standing. Good. Breathe. Smile and sweat. Yes. Breathe. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep on going. 7, 8, and walk. Good. Just to finish off. Hands up and down. Up. Open and down. Keep on walking. And down. Up. Open. Down. Up. Open. Down. Gorgeous. Down. Shoulders down. Good. Beautiful. And breathe. Shake it all out. Beautifully done. Remember, if you want to find yourself in a super duper challenge. Join me for the Women Warrior Bootcamp. It's 4 weeks of pure fitness, eating clean and having fun. Plus we have a beautiful private community where we can share our wins. And when we struggle, we pick each other up. So I can't wait to see you there. I'm gonna link it down below and I'll see you in the Women Warriors Bootcamp. Ciao!